Oh, how y'all doing? So, yeah, it's nighttime, but I just wanted to talk to you guys about a little problem that I have. So, let's talk about it. So, am I the only one that's like big on oral hygiene? I mean, I'm not perfect, but I work in the medical field. So, the reason why I'm asking you, it has a lot to do with what I'm about to say. So, we're sitting there and we're about to work on a patient. Mind you, I could do like any type of surgeries, bloody, you know, gory, any of that stuff. Like I can deal with it. It doesn't bother me. But when it comes to mucus, that's a problem. Like I can't stand hearing people like hawk and it's just it's coming up and then they spit, or if they sneeze and you see snot, and that stuff grosses me out. But bloody, anything with the guts and all, I'm good. I'm good. So to get to the point, so I work in the medical field. It's me and my doctor. We're there. The patient's in the chair. So we put the chair way back, and the doctor is talking to the patient about something at home with her kids, and so I'm sitting there listening, and everybody's engaging in this the same conversation. So I happen to glance down, and the patient had a huge booger sticking out of her nose. Okay, now we're wearing masks. My doctor's wearing a mask. I'm wearing eyeglasses. She is also protective eyewear, and we have gloves on. So okay, so we're sitting there, and she's yapping, yapping, yapping. My boss is talking, and I'm looking. I'm like, am I the only one who sees this huge chunk of booger in the lady's nose? I mean, it's right there. There's no way you cannot see it. So I'm looking at my boss, and she's talking, and I'm trying to like do the eye thing, contact, to at least get her attention to see if she notices. And she's just talking and talking and talking. So I'm like, are they blind? Or, I mean, does the patient not feel that there's something hanging from her nose? And I'm looking at like my boss like, and is she blind? I mean, do I need to clean her glasses or something? So anyways, finally, my boss looks down, and I think she notices that that's what I was trying to like, get her attention to look at. And so she's looking at me and I'm looking at her, and it's like I'm trying to read what she's saying. It's like she's probably thinking, do I clean it off or do I say something? And shit, I'm over here thinking the same thing. Sorry, y'all. My phone was ringing, so I had to stop recording. But yeah. So yeah, she's looking at me and I'm looking at her, and I'm thinking, does she want me to say something, or is she going to say something? So I'm like, maybe she should say something, because I mean, I'm thinking she's the boss slash rank. Yeah, so I'm thinking she should be the one to say, oh, there's something here. Let me get it. She's grossed out at this point. So I could just see the look on her face. So I'm sitting there and I'm like, I can't take it, because I can't deal with that. I can't deal with snot. Like I said, I could deal with anything else. So you know what I did? I said, to heck with it. I'm not going to sit here and pretend like there's not like, a huge chunk of booger hanging out of her nose. So I went ahead and took a little 2x2 gauze, and I said, oh, you have something on your nose, and I just went and wiped it. I was like, oh, okay, I'm grossed out at this point. Okay, so my thing is, the average American, they have a mirror somewhere in their house. Like when you get up in the morning, do you not, you take a shower, and during the process of taking a shower, I'm pretty sure at some point you have to clean your ears and your nose. That's a part of oral hygiene. And then brush your teeth. So I don't understand, like, how do you get up and you do it partially? Is there such thing as partial oral hygiene? I don't know. You guys tell me. All right. So drop me a comment or something. Let me know what's on your mind. So I'm going to leave you guys with this one. Stay fabulous, stay beautiful, stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you know when I have a new video up. All right. I love you guys. True Angel over and out. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.